Welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife video on Showbie, the mini whiteboard feature.
Did you know that Showbie has a mini whiteboard feature? When you tap the plus, there is the option to create document. Now, this isn't a word processing document like we think of. This is essentially a mini whiteboard, and this is how it can be used. When you tap onto it, you can give this a name, you can change the orientation, and you can see there's a couple of different background options. You can also add multiple pages. We would recommend adding a couple of pages because once you've created this, you can't go back and add more. So let's tap Create. And tap onto the document. We now have a mini whiteboard, and when we're teaching, we can make use of the different pen tools here, but also our learners can make use of these as well. This is a great way to demonstrate something to our learners or getting our learners to use it as a mini whiteboard. When you tap onto a pen, you can see there's different colours, there's different line thicknesses, there's then the highlighting tool. Again, different colours and thicknesses. There is a rubber, there is a comment speech bubble and a voice note bubble, and we can also put in text boxes. So whatever you write onto your mini whiteboard just now, and when you tap done, your learners will have their own copy of that. So they can open that up and they can continue on with whatever you've shown, or they could write down their own working. And again, they've got multiple pages. Remember, this is a quick whiteboarding tool that you could be making use of during your lessons, and also a great way for you to explore explanations and modelling and capturing that through Showbie.